Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace side mirror glass. First, gather your essential tools, including a pry tool, your new mirror glass, and a reliable adhesive. Make sure your vehicle is parked securely and the ignition is completely off. For your safety, always wear protective gloves and eyewear throughout the entire replacement process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair. Now let's remove the old, damaged mirror glass. Carefully insert a pry tool behind the glass, working around the edges to loosen it. Once loose, gently detach any electrical connectors, like those for heating or power adjustments. After removing the old glass, take a moment to thoroughly clean the mirror housing, ensuring no broken pieces or debris remain. This step is crucial for a proper new installation. With the housing clean, it's time to install your new mirror glass. First, carefully reconnect any electrical wires to the back of the new mirror. Then, align the new glass with the mirror housing and apply firm, even pressure until it clicks securely into place. Double-check that the mirror is properly seated, and if applicable, test any power adjustments or heating functions to ensure everything works as expected. Finally, perform some crucial checks. Adjust the mirror through its full range of motion and confirm any heating elements are working. Give your new mirror glass a good clean with a suitable glass cleaner for optimal visibility and safety on the road. Remember, a clear view is essential. Also, for other great deals and to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.